Hi everyone. I've spent time using both the new Apple iPhone 16 and the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. Both phones have cool features and work really well, but they are different in some ways. In this video, I will share what makes each phone special to help you decide which one might be better for you. If you want to check the latest prices, I have put Amazon links in the description below. Let's get started. Having used both the iPhone 16 and Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, I noticed the iPhone feels more compact and lighter, measuring 147.6 by 71.6 by 7.8 mm and weighing 170 grams, which makes it easier to hold and use one-handed. The Galaxy S24 FE is bigger and heavier at 162.77.3 8.0 mm and 213 grams, giving it a more solid feel but less comfortable for small hands. Both have glass fronts and backs with aluminum frames, but the iPhone's ceramic shield front feels a bit tougher. Overall, the iPhone is sleeker, while the Galaxy feels more substantial. The Apple iPhone 16 features a 6.10-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with a 60Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and a pixel density of approximately 460 ppi, offering sharp and vibrant visuals. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE boasts a larger 6.7-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with a significantly higher refresh rate of 120Hz, HDR10+ support, and a peak brightness of around 1900 nits. Although its pixel density is lower at about 385 ppi, it delivers smoother motion and better brightness, along with an always-on display for added convenience. The Apple iPhone 16, running iOS 18, is powered by the advanced Apple A18 chip built on a 3nm process with a hexa-core CPU, 2 high-performance cores at 4.4 GHz, and 4 efficiency cores at 2.42 GHz, and a 5-core Apple GPU, delivering exceptional performance and energy efficiency. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE features Android 14 with One UI 6.1, utilizing the Exynos 2400E chip on a 4nm process with an octa-core CPU and Xclipse 940 GPU. While Samsung offers a versatile Android experience, the iPhone 16's newer chip and tighter hardware-software integration likely provide superior speed and graphics performance. The Apple iPhone 16 offers storage options of 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB NVMe flash, with a consistent 8GB of RAM across all models. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE provides the same storage capacities, 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB, paired with 8GB of RAM as well. However, the Galaxy S24 FE uses UFS 3.1 or 4.0 storage depending on the variant, potentially delivering faster read and write speeds compared to the iPhone's NVMe Flash Me. Neither device supports expandable storage via a card slot. The Apple iPhone 16 features a dual-camera system with a 48-megapixel wide sensor utilizing sensor shift optical image stabilization (OIS) and quad-pixel phase detection autofocus (PAF), paired with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE offers a more versatile triple-camera setup, including a 50-megapixel wide sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and an 8-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, all supported by PDAF and OIS. While the iPhone 16 emphasizes sensor stability and pixel binning, the Galaxy S24 FE provides greater zoom capabilities and an additional telephoto option. The Apple iPhone 16 features a 12-megapixel wide front camera with HDR support and can record 4K video at both 30 and 60 FPS, offering sharp and vibrant selfies with smooth video capabilities. In comparison, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE has a 10-megapixel front camera equipped with PDAF and Auto HDR, also supporting 4K video at 30 and 60 FPS, along with additional 1080p recording options. While both deliver high-quality selfie photos and videos, the iPhone 16 provides a slightly higher resolution sensor, potentially capturing more detail in images. The Apple iPhone 16 features a non-removable Li-ion 4300 mAh battery with approximately 30-watt wired fast charging and supports both MagSafe and Qi2 wireless charging. In comparison, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE has a slightly larger 4700 mAh non-removable Li-ion battery, offering 25 watts wired fast charging and 15 watts wireless charging. Additionally, the Galaxy S24 FE includes 4.5 watts reverse wireless charging, a feature not available on the iPhone 16. Overall, the Galaxy S24 FE provides a bigger battery and more versatile wireless charging options, while the iPhone 16 supports faster wired charging. After using both the iPhone 16 and the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, I can say each phone has its strengths. The iPhone 16 offers a smooth, reliable experience with great camera quality and seamless integration if you're already in the Apple ecosystem. The Galaxy S24 FE shines with its vibrant display, customizable features, and strong battery life. In the end, your choice should depend on what features matter most to you. Check the description for Amazon links to find the latest prices.